Hey guys, welcome back to Gregor's Transport. This is Station Street of Fairfield. This is a 2-gate, 4-signal level crossing on the Hurstbridge Line, which uses trains to and from Hurstbridge and Eltham, and occasionally McLeod. Anyways, over here on the northern signal, we have a McK&H.Aust crossing base, Safetran gate mechanism, a black with rat riding, stop on red signal sign, 2 McK&H.Aust Incandescents on a McK&H.Aust Crossarm, a 2-truck sign, Standard Crossbuck, general signals type 2 e-bolt, and a Wishbone gate with 3 Artcraft gate lights. And on the median signal over there, we have an unmarked base, black with rat riding, stop on red signal sign, 2 McK&H.Aust Incandescents on a McK&H.Aust Crossarm, 2-truck sign, Standard Crossbuck, and a pole cap. This is the southern signals. Over here we have the McK&H.Aust crossing base, a Safetran gate mechanism which has been vandalized, a black with rat riding, stop on red signal sign, 2 McK&H.Aust Incandescents on a McK&H.Aust Crossarm, a 2-truck sign, Standard Crossbuck, general signals type 2 e-bolt, and a Wishbone gate with 3 Artcraft gate lights. And over here on the median signal we have an unmarked base, black with rat riding, stop on red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse Incandescents on a Westinghouse Crossarm, 2-truck sign, Standard Crossbuck, and a pole cap.